This short video shows how to buy shares of Rollins Inc. I will demonstrate the steps using a broker interface. Rollins Inc. is a pest control and services company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ROL. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and then add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ROL to find Rollins Inc. Make sure you select the listing on NASDAQ to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart that reflects recent trading. Double-check the name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to confirm this is the correct Rollins Inc. share. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be completed. After your order executes, the new position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. If you want to follow these exact steps, find the broker link in the video description.